So nice to meet you. My first question to you is, can you introduce your company? Can you tell us more about your history, about the company's history, about the products that you're making, and how many workers do you have in your factory?
Our company is a family-owned company. It's based in Bulgaria, and it's mostly produce lighting fixtures for hotels and for some restaurants, mostly on project we're working. Also, we're working on metal constructions, on requirements from customers, and we're working more than 20 years. It started from my father, and now I'm working with him to help him.
Okay. Can you tell us what made you choose us, our laser equipment?
My colleague that I'm working with he bought a laser cutting machine that cuts pipes, and he told me about you and said that your machines are very good and support is very good 24 hours, and that's why I decided to buy from you this welding machine. In the past I have one, and there were a lot of problems with the maintenance and the consumer the glasses and other things. So that's why I prefer to choose a new producer of laser cutting machine.
Okay, thank you. And we will consider long-term cooperation with us. Would you introduce us to other customers?
Yes, of course. When I'm satisfied from your products, I will continue to buy some machines and to give information about you to colleagues and other producers.
Okay, thank you very much for our short interview.